Today we will learn how to add reflection to any product in Photoshop. So let's get started. So I'm using this beer mug. It's on a separate layer than the background and I'm going to create a reflection of it. First drag the beer mug layer on the new layer button and create a duplicate copy, name it reflection. Now press Ctrl or Command T to transform, right click, flip vertically and drag it down touching the bottom of the beer mug. Press enter. Now go to edit, click on puppet warp. It will create a mesh. So now we add 3 points to lock the position of the mug. So when we adjust the top portion, it will not impact the bottom one. Now add 4 points on the top. Make sure you pin only on the intersection of the mesh. It will give you more control when we position it. Position the points. The number of points you can add depends on the situation, so don't add too much points. I'm trying to create a thin gap between the object and the reflection. When you are happy with the results, press enter. Now add a layer mask on reflection layer. Take the gradient tool and while holding shift, create a line. Make sure the gradient is black and white where the black will hide the object and set its opacity to 70%. Now select the layer, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Set the value 1, click OK. Now the reflection is looking a lot more realistic than before. If you want to see the results in white base, select the background layer. Take the brush tool, reduce the hardness, increase the size and just click one time, slightly to the left. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena. Let's meet on another great tutorial. For the time being, goodbye.